How to connect a keyboard to Samsung 32-inch Smart TV. Method number 1. Connecting a Bluetooth keyboard. Step number 1. Put keyboard in pairing mode. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and enable pairing mode. Typically, this involves pressing a connect or Bluetooth button until a light blinks, indicating it's ready to pair. Step number 2. Access Bluetooth settings on your TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu. Go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Input Device Manager, Bluetooth Device List. Step number 3. Select your keyboard. Your TV will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your keyboard appears on the list, select it to initiate pairing. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Method number 2. Connecting a USB keyboard. Step number 1. Locate the USB port on your TV. Find the USB port on the back or side of your Samsung 32-inch Smart TV. Step number 2. Connect the USB keyboard. Plug the keyboard's USB cable or wireless USB driver, if it's a wireless keyboard, into the USB port. Step number 3. Test the keyboard. The TV should automatically recognize the keyboard, allowing you to start typing and navigating.